Welcome to our channel. Since OnePlus devices run Android and don't use iCloud, you'll want to manage Google backup settings instead. Follow these steps to opt out of automatic cloud backups on your OnePlus device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your OnePlus phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Google or Accounts, depending on your OnePlus model and Android version. Step 3. Select Backup or Google Backup to view your current backup settings. Step 4. Toggle off Backup to Google Drive to disable automatic cloud backups of your apps, app data, call history, and settings. Step 5. If you want to keep some backups but not others, tap on individual backup categories to customize what gets backed up. Step 6. Navigate back to main settings and select Cloud and Accounts or OnePlus Cloud if available. Step 7. Disable OnePlus's own cloud backup service if you don't want to use their specific backup solution. Step 8. Remember that disabling backups means you won't be able to easily restore your data if you switch devices or perform a factory reset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.